In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this really delicious, yummy lemon frozen yogurt. I absolutely love lemon. They say that you're either a lemon person or you're a chocolate person. Well, I can tell you, I am definitely both. And if you are a lemon person, you definitely want to try this. And if you're a chocolate person, you probably want to try it because I'm telling you, this frozen yogurt is the best. So stick around and I will show you how to make it. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Patty and this is my handmade lifestyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make lemon frozen yogurt, and it's amazing. This is going to be a fairly quick video. I'm just going to go over the ingredients. I'll show you how I mixed them. I'm not going to go into the whole process about using the ice cream churn because I did that really thoroughly in my video for strawberry frozen yogurt, which you can see up here. So I'll link over to that above and below. And if you need a little more information on using the churn and how that works, that would be a good video for you to watch. In this one, we're just going to take the ingredients, which are so easy. Basically, I'm using Greek yogurt, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla, lemon juice, and a little corn syrup. And you mix all of that in the mixer. You could use a hand mixer if you don't have the KitchenAid, no big deal. Put it in the churn, set it and forget it, and you've got a beautiful frozen yogurt. So let's go ahead and mix everything up. And then we're just going to combine it. Like a teaspoon of vanilla, and then I'm going for 2/3 cup or 150 mils of lemon juice. Then we're going to put in 1/2 cup of the corn syrup. And you only need to do this on low speed. This KitchenAid is so efficient. Just low speed mixes it right up. And we'll scrape down. So while that's mixing, I'm going to run out and get the frozen core for my ice cream maker, and we'll pour the mixture in and it'll be ready to go. Well, it'll start freezing anyway. My core has been in the freezer, the deep freezer, overnight. Well, a few nights, but for purposes of this, you do want to make sure it's at least overnight. We just pour in. This is it. There's no cooking. Okay, and then we put in our paddle, put on our top, and we turn it on, and we're going to let it run for about 30 minutes. We'll check it at 30 minutes and see what we've got, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be done. So, okay, I'll check back in with you then. And we're off. Okay, I'm back. I went out for a walk while the ice cream was churning. Burn off some calories before we have some. I call it ice cream. It's frozen yogurt. Let me show it to you. So you can see, I mean, this is absolutely gorgeous. Doesn't that look amazing? Let's give it a try. It's so good. So I'm going to take this frozen yogurt and put it over here in this ice cream keeper, and it'll be ready to go. Now you could serve it right away. It's like a super soft serve, but generally it's recommended you let it set up at least, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours. But I think it's good enough to eat right now. Okay, let's get it out of the container and over here, and then we'll have a little dish. Okay, I know you want to see how this is. It's amazing. Look at that beautiful dish of ice cream. It is crazy. I say I did it again. It's not ice cream. It's frozen yogurt. It's amazing. I put a few sprinkles on top because sprinkles make everything better. You definitely want to try this recipe. Make sure you use the full fat yogurt. Don't use low fat. It will be hard as a brick. Add the corn syrup. That will really make it creamy. And get yourself an ice cream maker. You're going to want it. We're going to do a lot of ice cream recipes this summer. You're going to need the churn. So yeah, that's the video. Hope you like it. Hope you want to come back for more. And I definitely hope you make your own lemon frozen yogurt. So until next time, see you around.